Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge and Chrysler and we're going to explain where to find the side airbag sensors. Okay, the crash sensors for the sides. This one should include Dodge Journey, Dodge Grand Caravan, Chrysler Town and Country as well. Quite a few vehicles, guys. Okay, so we will explain where in most cases you can find them. Now that Dodge Journey in Europe, it's known as a Fiat, so that will be the same procedure as well for the 7-seater Fiat. Now, if we open the trunk, okay, let me show you now. You have 3 sensors, side impact sensors on the left side of the vehicle, 3 on the left, 3 on the right. This is for our modifications. If you don't have the third row seat, you might have one less. It really depends on what year and model you have. But okay, sensor number 3 on the left side is located right here. This is sensor number 3, side impact acceleration sensor. Sensor number 2 is right after the rear door. Right there. And sensor number 1, guys, okay, is in the front door. We do not have the door panel removed, but it's like right in the middle, right there. That's where the front side impact sensor is located. So 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to have exactly the same positioning on this side, but in order to get to them, you can see you have to remove that panel like the one here. So you have one on this side, 2 behind the rear door and 1 in the front right door. Now on these guys, Dodge Journey, we will have more than 200 videos. We just started making videos on that thing, so we'll be uploading so many videos, guys. So if you need help with anything, drop a comment below and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So let's go ahead, guys. Finish the video now and please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.